Hello, it's Thursday, October 17th. I'm meteorologist Mike DeFino with your daily forecast video. The map in front of you right now is the projections for the high temperatures Thursday afternoon. As you can see, we're expecting another well above average day with highs in the mid 70s across much of the area. This will be the last day of the temperatures in the 70s as we will be dealing with a cold front that will be coming through. This cold front won't have much with it, as you can see here. The best dynamics are going to be west and to the north of the area, similar with the last system that was supposed to move through Wednesday night. As we fast forward, you're going to see another system. This system is going to miss to our south, while another system misses to the north. Could expect a few showers, mainly across the northern portions of our forecast area. But other than that, mainly just cloud cover, and the continuation of a southerly flow will keep the warmer temperatures continuing through the weekend with upper 60s across much of the area. The next thing we're going to talk about here is the GFS in what we call fantasy land in meteorology, as it's going to show this piece of energy right here weaken, but as it comes around, it's going to explode off the coast. And what it does is it draws in a lot of cold air, and you see an interior snowstorm at 186 hours out. This is not believable at all by any means, and we've been getting a lot of emails asking about the storm potential for the 24th, but there is none. It's not going to be much, and we can see right here what the GFS is doing different from every other model. You're going to want to focus in on Greenland up here, that block in place. The block in place is it's what we call a negative NAO. It's what's providing this deep trough to enter the eastern U.S. and give us chillier conditions. But what we're going to focus in on here is part of that block. The ridge breaks off and sits over the eastern Hudson Bay and Canada there. And what this does is it forces this trough to deepen and go around it. As it goes around it, it takes what we call a negative tilt, and that basically allows a low pressure just to explode off the coast and draw all this energy and lead to explosive development, all these powerful dynamics that lead to what the model is showing a snow event for the interior. But as we mentioned, this is very unlikely, and where that high pressure, or where the ridge breaks off, is what many models have a strong vortex there, which would make it impossible for the GFS solution to even verify. You can see here the GFS ensemble mean where that ridge breaks off. You can see the higher heights well more towards the poles compared to what the GFS operational model had. Now it has that vortex, which the other models agree with, and this would make it impossible for any big storm to get going along the coast. Here's the latest product out of Rutgers, which shows the snow cover as of October 16th. In Siberia, you can see we're well above average, which is a good sign if you like a cold winter, but it doesn't guarantee anything, especially at this stage in the game. November is a bigger month for this, but more importantly, on the North American side, you can see we're lacking. And even yesterday, across the western Hudson Bay, we had some snow cover build up, but since then it's melted away. And this is generally what we're thinking as these cold impulses show up on the models, that the models are overdoing the snow cover ahead of them. So what that does is it makes it very impressive on a long-range model, all these cold air outbreaks. But as we come to the short range, as you can see with our forecast and even the GFS MOS, that it just modifies. And instead of seeing upper 50s for Monday and Tuesday next week, in Philadelphia, we're talking about mid to upper 60s. So that's something to keep in mind. That's it for now. Have a great day.